廣州市文化館裏面，精美嘅玉雕同多元嘅展品吸引咗一眾嘉賓停低欣賞。近日喺廣州 APEC 會議期間，與會嘉賓展開咗花城綠心城央生態人文之旅。呢位嚟自美國加州嘅嘉賓，被一件玉器深深吸引。
Because it's beautiful, and it reminds me of this trip and the APEC conference and all the friends I've met here. So, and it's very beautiful.
同樣嚟自灣區嘅佢，喺呢度睇到創新產業同人文自然嘅深度融合。
Guangzhou is the greater Bay Area, and I'm from the Bay Area in California. So I was like, oh, this is very cool. And for me, it means innovation, it means new ideas, it means driving an economy and industry and manufacturing, as well as the culture and the beauty all coming together.
從文化館轉往海珠國家濕地公園，景觀瞬間切換，一邊係都市天際線，另外一邊係青翠濕地同交錯水系。呢種城央綠心嘅規劃，令嘉賓親身感受到廣州喺城市發展中對生態空間嘅保留同尊重。
How the system works. They're very interconnected with each other. I think the most important is to balance the economy and the ecology because it's part of the system.
So there is a two sides. On the other side is the modern city, and on this other side is the wetland for the nature. Yeah. I can see that there is a balance. You just don't have the modern one, but you keep the culture.
文化多樣性同生態健康，正正係推動亞太地區共同進步嘅重要無形資產。佢哋表示，粵港澳大灣區注重文化傳承同生態保護嘅均衡發展模式，為亞太地區點樣將無形資產轉化成長期經濟韌性同增長活力，提供咗生動範例。